2 international students from Mexico and the UK will stay in Oregon for now. A federal judge granting a temporary restraining order on Monday that stops deportation and requires the Trump administration to reinstate their student visas. Kelsey Provo, their lawyer with Innovation Law Lab, says it's still unclear why the visas were suspended.
The government wasn't able to further explain the reasoning behind the termination, so we still don't know.
One of the students pursuing a master's degree at the University of Oregon is listed only as Jane Doe in the lawsuit. The other student, Aaron Ortega Gonzalez, is pursuing a PhD at Oregon State University. In other similar national cases, international students had been targeted for removal after participating in protests against the war in Gaza. Do you believe that they could have been targeted because of free speech?
Both Aaron and Jane were focusing on their studies, their career.
Did they participate in any of the Gaza protests on their campuses?
Both Aaron and Jane were focusing on their research, focusing on finishing their degrees and moving forward with their careers.
Is that a no, or?
That's all I can say about it.
What Provo has told me is that neither student has ever been charged with a crime. She says thanks to Monday's ruling, both students will be able to continue with their classes and their research for now.
So what happens next is we do further research and briefing for the judge. So right now, Aaron and Jane, they get to continue with their studies, continue with their research, and then the legal fight in court continues.
The unidentified student is set to graduate from U of O with a master's and a law degree in June. Now, in court today, Provo says the administration's lawyers argued that the temporary restraining order is not needed because there's no harm to students in having their visas revoked. And she says this argument is the same argument that the administration has made in other cases nationwide.